very good morning, a very good afternoon to you all. I'm Sheikh Yamina. I would be speaking about universal basic income is the only way to eradicate poverty. T.R.R. Tolkien has said, a thousand dreams, a single dream is better than 1,000 realities. We have poor in this country. There's no doubt that we have amassed huge wealth. This world is under huge wealth than ever, but we have poverty. We have millions of people under grave poverty. There is a huge emasculation of wealth by certain sections of people that leads to a widening gap between rich and poor. Though living in a third world country, we have lots of institutional voids, but we too can use those institutional voids to an opportunity by proper assessment and by articulation of those things. You know that 70 crore people live under poverty in the world. That is 8% of the world's population. 8% of the world's population live under poverty. Today, I'm here to provide a solution, a model which I call as 360-degree model that can be used to eradicate poverty. A model of clever solutions with insightful minds can use to create a solution to eradicate poverty. That model encompasses all the aspects, economic, social, and political, working together to eradicate poverty, accompanied with UBI. Though we have UBI, but how to implement it? By all the institutional voids being in a third world country. Though it seems easy to provide some amount of money, but what about the implementation of this money? We have certain amounts, we have the problems of corruption, we have the problems of imperative impact assessment, we don't have proper accountability and transparency. So how do we accept that this 1,000 rupees would reach the person who actually needs it? So what do we need? All the collaboration from different sections of the society. You know, how do we understand who is poor and what is poverty? How should we know that? Should I ask an economist or a poor person himself? You know, beautifully Robert Chambers said, what we need is participatory development. Let me ask those poor persons who are actually suffering what he needs. What kind of policies he suffer? What can I sitting here talk about that? I need a participatory development. Our nation needs a participatory development for the eradication of poverty. You know, we suffer, the most important thing that we suffer is imperative impact assessment. We do not know, we do not scrutinize or assess what policies we need to frame. UBI, accompanied with accountability, can create wonders. You know, we have to create such a system that will really encourage people to come in and provide such a platform. We need to approach a right and duty approach. All of us have to work together because right and duties are complementary paradigms. We have to work together towards a better future. Though UBI can be applied, but I again repeat, we lack proper implementation. We need a policy analysis how to apply. If I'm using this UBI, does this actually reach the people who need it? That is the most important thing we need. Let's consult everybody. Let's see what they need and then implement the policies. The people who actually need this must actually get that. You know, it always seems impossible until it's done, as Nelson Mandela has said. But we have done the impossible. India has done the impossible since AIDS. So we can do it. All the youth power together can do it. So I'll again say a quote, it is little more. A single day is needed to be a little great or little less. So it's you, me, and I who has to decide to be a little more or little less. Thank you.